First, right-click on my PC. Click on Manage. Go to Disk Management. I will show you how to move 10 GB of memory from drive D to drive C. As you can see, I have two local disks, C drive with 150 GB, D drive with 87 GB.
To shrink D drive, click on D drive and select Shrink Volume. To shrink 77 GB from D, open Calculator and type 77 multiply 1024. Enter 7848 in the shrink box and click on Shrink. After shrinking, a new unallocated space of 77 gigabits appeared, then created a new volume from the unallocated space. This became the E drive with 77 gigs. Then copied all the data from D drive and pasted it into E drive. After making sure the data is safely moved, delete D drive. Right-click on C drive and select Extend Volume.